Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily transfer crypto from Coinbase to Exodus. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Coinbase account, and when you're going to be here, you want to click on a go top right and click send and receive. Now here you want to add amount that you want to send. My recommendation is don't send everything straight away. Hold for a while. So, actually, if it works, just send 10% of the amount that you want to transfer. Then go to Exodus and let me show you. So you click on a wallet and you choose a coin that you want to acquire. Let's click on a Bitcoin. Let's click receive. And then click here and copy the Bitcoin address. In a Coinbase, simply paste the the Bitcoin address. Add amount of money that you want to send. You can add a note if you want to and press continue. Right here, when you're going to do it, you can see clearly that this is pretty much how you do it. So you are sending 200 euro, Bitcoin total, and yep, and you just click send now. I'm not going to send it to my Exodus account, but this is pretty much how you do it. So if you're going to have any questions, guys, ask them down in comments, but definitely don't send everything straight away. Wait for a while and you're going to be well off. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.